everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 859 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today's video is just going to be some fun playing around with glitter because I'm going to be trying out the s.he glitter and primer set that I got from Shopmissa. So this was only $1. This is also cruelty free. And I just love glitter, but I don't wear loose glitter that much just because it is really messy, but sometimes it's just so fun to play around with it. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. This seems like a really nice set, just first impression. I can't believe I got this for only $1. That's how messy it is. I was opening my glitter upside down. Now that would have been really bad. But oh my gosh, yeah, this is going to go everywhere. But it is a beautiful silver loose glitter powder. But I have a primer here as well, which this is awesome. So why don't I try it out on my hand to start. The primer feels nice. Feels like any other kind of glitter primer that I've tried before. So I'm just going to dip my finger into the glitter here and press it onto the primer. Ooh, the primer is nice and tacky. This definitely has really good grip for that glitter. Ooh, my gosh, that worked perfectly. I love that. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. It's just straight up silver glitter. This is so fun and that works great. The glitter sticks so well to the primer. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put it all over my eyelid because that's where I want to put some glitter. So I'm just gonna, with the doe foot applicator, this is an awesome glitter primer. Easy to apply. I love that it has the doe foot applicator. So just applying all over the eyelid. And then I'm going to be dipping my finger into the glitter, which feels like such soft powder. It's a very finely milled glitter. This looks so good. Oh, I love it. Oh my gosh, this makes me want to go to a party that I can wear this glitter to. Glitter seriously makes me so happy. I love the look of glitter and sparkle. Look at this. This is amazing. And I'm excited to see how this does with the primer. Like if it creases, if it lasts well. I definitely have glitter, you know, all over my face. But the glitter on my eyelid looks amazing. It's so just full, completely 100% sparkle. It's so beautiful and fun. I love it. Oh, I just want to wear this all the time. When something like this makes me so happy, just having it on my eye and looking at this glitter, it should be something that I wear all the time, right? I'm really, really impressed by this glitter primer, that it is just sticking all of the glitter in place. I was a little worried that the glitter wasn't going to adhere to it very well, but it fully sticks. You can get that fully 100% glittered effect. I wish I had more colors of this, which I might actually have some other loose glitter colors to make a multi-colored look, but I love this silver too. so bright and fun. I love this, but now I'm like, what do I do? Where do I go? It looks seriously phenomenal. There is no creasing. It's staying right in place. And I love this all over glitter look. It would be great with other eyeshadows mixed in, but I am digging the full silver glitter eyelid. Like, that is a look, and I love it. Even with the glitter, like onto my eyelid and under my eyes, it kind of goes. So that was really easy, and I feel like that is a beautiful and fun and festive look. Going into today's video, I was like, I just want to have fun, play with glitter. I didn't really expect to, fall in love with this product, but I am amazed and obsessed with how great this product is. For $1, it's phenomenal, but even if it was, $10, $15, I would still think this is an amazing combo. Just like, it's full, perfect, staying intact glitter, which that is hard to get, but this works so well, and this is such beautiful, soft, easy to use glitter that feels so comfortable on my eyes. Like, I seriously don't even feel like I have anything on my eyelids, yet they're covered in primer and glitter. I know that the Shopmissa website actually sells so many different shades of loose glitter, so I don't think that you need to spend a lot of money on loose glitter at all. You can spend $1 and get phenomenal sparkle glitter, and it just makes me so happy. I love it. If I ever need a pick-me-up, I'm just gonna throw on some of this glitter, and it makes me so happy. I can't stop smiling. I can't stop looking at it. It's just so fun. Well, I had so much fun filming this video. I really hope that you enjoyed watching. Thank you so much for watching this video, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video. Stay safe and healthy.